doing? This is Joe again. This is Solpavers. We're going to do another installation of Lanai. Here's our pavers. We got thicks and thins. We're going to bind them together, thicks and this is the Lanai area we're going to do. As you guys can see, we just did our footer. We're going to pour our footer today and come lay out the pavers tomorrow. We're going to start leveling the 250 sand for the Lanai. Did electrical work. Almost getting ready to do the final installation. Now we're going to do the cleanup.
¿Sí lo conoces, no, chato, cómo es al primo Raúl?
Lo conozco de madre.
We did polymeric sand. We're gonna put this one on YouTube. I got my website. We're gonna put it on the website.
Good job, man. You do good work, man.
Well, thanks, man.
Yeah.